Hey guys, it's Holly, and today we're going to be doing a toy review. Yeah, we thought it'd be really cool to review this awesome cool set we got for our birthday. Well, your birthday. Yeah, it was my birthday, guys. 4th of November. Yep, that's pretty cool. And today we're going to be reviewing the My Little Pony Midnight in Canterlot set. Okay, so I heard that you've been looking for Nightmare Moon for years. Yes, that's true. I've been actually hoping to get the Nightmare Moon set with Trixie and Vinyl Scratch and Lemony Gem for about 2 or 3 years, and it's just never been around. Yeah, I heard that set's only on the internet for about £200 on eBay. Yep, it's pretty depressing actually. But you'll never believe what I found when I was stumbling into Toys R Us, my favourite place to go on the weekends. Definitely not 16 and shopping at ponies. And I stumbled across this awesome set which had Nightmare Moon in it. Ooh. And it had Princess Celestia, a white one. Ooh. And it had Minty. Okay, everybody, so yeah, it's pretty big. It doesn't fit on my tiny table. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Okay, so I'm probably gonna have to move my camera back. You're gonna see a little filming area. Okay, so I actually have this cabinet in between my beds. This is where I film temporarily on this tiny little white thing. So it's kind of hard to fit big things, but yeah, it's as far as it will go. So let's unbox this thing. Yeah! I'm really stupid. I forgot to look at the box. Okay, let's take a look at the box. Okay, so this is the back of the box. It says here, Princess Luna turns into Nightmare Moon at Nightmare Night. So I'm guessing this is kind of a Halloween thing. She celebrates the magic of the stars with her friends in Canterlot. Sorry, my hand's really shaky. It's like, yeah, I'm just a weirdo. Okay, so we have Fluttershy and Rarity and Rainbow Dash, awesome, and Minty. It makes me laugh though because this Minty is literally like, it's just Applejack, but in a different colour, but it's cool. There's no Applejack on here. Dewdrop Dazzle, however, I mean, you know, there's Dewdrop Dazzle here, and then there's just Rarity, like exactly the same, just flipped in a different colour. Like, what? That doesn't even make sense. Okay, so. And then there's Nightmare Moon, she's pretty awesome. And Princess Celestia. What is that hair? Okay. And a spike. And my Maybelline makeup bag. Okay. No. Spike the dragon. Okay, so basically it's a really cute box. Now let's just get it open already. No. We have to look at the whole thing. Okay, so up here's the My Little Pony logo, as same as always. There might be a slightly different colour pink or something, but it's pretty, you know, simple. Okay, but come on. It's not any different at all, but let's just get this thing open. I want to see Nightmare Moon. You've been waiting for like 3 years to see this. Come on. Okay. Okay, so let me turn. Oh dear. My background just bowed out. Okay, so when we look at the front of the box, there's Nightmare Moon here, and she looks pretty cool. It's Minty. It says here, includes Minty, as you can see, that's Minty right there. Hey girl, hey! Don't worry, I will rescue you soon. She can't hear me. Up here we have Dewdrop Dazzle, Princess Celestia with some like awesome like glitter in her hair and tinsel. We have Rarity and Spike, as cute as ever. Fluttershy, and she has the newer eyes, I should say. Rainbow Dash with the newer eyes as well. and Nightmare Moon, and I can't wait to see this out of the box. It's so exciting. It says right here, Midnight in Canterlot Pony Collection. So this is what it's called, the My Little Pony Midnight in Canterlot Collection. We found this in Toys R Us, like Holly said. Yeah, I've heard it's from other places in America, I'm not really sure, but over here, it's just been re-released in Toys R Us. I think it was around £50. I don't know how many dollars that is. It's probably more dollars, because of the difference in currency. I don't know anything, okay? From Ponyville, I don't live in USA, or... Okay, let's just get this open already. Can you hear me? They're trapped in there, I need to get them out. Have you ever tried unboxing something with one hand? It is really hard. Like, you can't just unbox it. Like, it's just not gonna work. Like, I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, it's Minty! Let's take that off. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I've actually got this. Guys, I'm freaking out right now, like, I can't withstand myself, like, I can't believe I've actually got this. Please, can you just refrain yourself for just 1 minute? No. We've actually unboxed it all! What do you mean unboxed? You're talking like we're just toys or something. We're ponies, you know. Okay, let's just...
Okay, so first of all, we're going to be really boring and look at all the boring accessories. Okay, so we've got 3 combs here. They look like Princess Cadence's hair. That's pretty cool. I don't know what this is, honestly, but it came next to Nightmare Moon, so maybe she has something, I don't know. Dayyy Dazzle, what the heck? Dayyy Dazzle has these 2 crowns. There are some cute little necklaces. There's a box. I used my other box I've got from another set, and I put loads of gems in it, and I used it for rarity. That's pretty cool. There are some really cute little flower clips and some diamond ones. There are some heart diamond shaped like clip thingies. There's a book that opens. I can't open it with one hand. Again, how am I expected to... There we go. There's a book. There's some flowers. They're really cute. I really want to use them. They're so adorable. And there is this awesome mirror, and you can see my camera. Hello! Okay, so that's pretty cool. And, of course, Nightmare Moon and Princess Celestia are wearing these gorgeous looking dresses. Oh, I can't wait to look at it!
Okay, so now we've got all these accessories out of the way. Let's look at the actual ponies. This is going to be really interesting. I can't wait to look at like all the rare ones, like Minty. I can't believe she actually comes in the set, can you? Nope. But she stood right behind me, and that's pretty cool. Okay, so first we're going to look at this Fluttershy. She has the new eye, and she's pretty cool. There's not really anything much different, but her hair feels really super soft, which is really good, because I found like most of the toys recently, they have like pretty damaged hair, and it's all rough. Like, I can see there's little bits at the end, but it's not disgusting, and the plastic feels very like expensive almost, which is a shame to say, because I like to pay a good price for all of my ponies. But yeah, I didn't pay for these, by the way. My mum got them for me. I love my mum. It's my birthday. Okay, Holly, just shut up. You're talking too much about your birthday. Okay, I know. I'm sorry. Can this hand stop controlling me now? It's kind of creeping me out. Okay, Fluttershy, okay. Next up is Rainbow Dash. I haven't taken these things off, by the way. There we go. She has the new eye as well, like I said earlier. She has very soft feeling hair and nice plastic, and I might probably use her for my Rainbow Dash. I don't know, I might cut her hair or something, because my other one's a bit damaged now. It's a bit old. I love Rainbow Dash, and I use her in like all my videos, so she's pretty used, let's just say. Then we're going to look at this rarity. So yeah, it's pretty cool. All of the new ponies that I have with these eyes, most of them are like crystal ones. Mine's not. Holly, get out of this. Okay, sorry. And so it's pretty cool to have like ponies without crystal eyes. Like, I love the crystal ones, but you know, this is my first rarity without the crystal one, and she's very like, she feels so pretty and she feels expensive, like the older ones, you know, the 2010 and 2011 and 12, all those newer ones, they're older, I should say. Basically, you're insulting the newer ponies. I am a fairly recent new pony and you're insulting me. She's really annoying me. I'm sorry. Next we're going to be looking at Dazzle. She's pretty cool. Yeah, she is. So she is one of the really old ponies, like I said earlier. Yeah, she's really old. Like, I remember looking at her in the boxes and always thinking, oh my god, I really want to look at her, I really want to buy her, and I always wanted Dazzle. She was in all of like the pony like books of other ones you could buy. Yeah. But I was too late and I missed them and they never came in the stores again. But look at this, she's so pretty. She's got pink and yellow in her hair and she's got this gorgeous green eyeshadow and purple eyes. And it's not the same as rarities, it's different. This is the first pony I've ever had with these eyes, so she's pretty cool. Her key mark is just an umbrella with some little hearts on it, and it's so cute. Like, her colour and her main colour, it all just goes so well. Like, I'm just so excited to use her. Like, she is so awesome. I've never had to drip her on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! Okay, so you either were watching this because you wanted to see me unbox Minty or because you are a follower of my channel. Let's face it, it's probably the first one. Shut up, Polly. Okay, so this is Minty. Her cutie mark is just gorgeous. I've never seen like an actual, I've never held a Minty. I'm so happy I've actually got this. Oh, she's just so pretty. Her hair, it feels so pretty. It's a similar colour to my Lotus Blossom that came with Pony Mania set I got last year. They have very pretty hair and they're very like similar actually. Wow, what do you know? The world's pretty similar. I'm a newer pony, get out of here! Her eyes are a gorgeous pink and they look like Pinkie Pies. There's a bit of sparkle there. Let's get rid of that. And she is just so pretty. I can't wait to like make her hair cute and yeah. Like, I actually do stuff with my hair. Like, I'm the more fashionable pony. Whereas Holly, excuse me, she just, you know, excuse me, Minty. Sorry. She just, you know, your head is dying. It's fading. I'm so sorry. You better be. And those glasses, you just pulled your hair back. That's so simple. Like, look how pretty mine is. Mine's still in a ponytail. I had the simplest and ugliest hair in the world. Now look what you've done. Holly. I'm sorry. Look, cut the scene. Okay, so this is Princess Celestia. Look at her horn. Do you see sparkles? No. Look at this one's horn. Look how much more fabulous that is. That is just so pretty, and I think it's a really cool, like, detail. You would think that, wouldn't you? Shut up, Holly. Okay, so looking at Princess Celestia, she has this on her leg. Let's take that off. Oh, of course it has to be taped down. Well, let's just take that off. So Princess Celestia has this awesome, pretty, beautiful gold in her hair. The tinsel. I love the tinsel. I used to think it was very messy, but nowadays I'm like, bring back the crystal tinsel ponies. Okay, so her wings, they are like a pinky colour.
Chiquito appears to serve wings and averages 3.5 stars.
Excuse
Is
me?
that the one you want?
Excuse me? What is this? No!
Do you want that one?
I never said Siri. Get off. What? What just happened? Your phone is really stupid. I'm sorry. Okay, let's get on with this. Princess Celestia is wearing this gorgeous gold dress. It's similar to the one that Princess Cadence got in her castle set. So if I just take this off, you can see she's just like a normal Celestia. She's got this gorgeous white hoof thing. What is that? She just has one hoof that's not gold. What? Is that like an error or something, or is that in every single set? Because I'm sorry, what is that? Celestia? Yes, my dear? You do realise that you've only got like 3 yellow hoofs and you've got like 1 weird white one? What? So hoof colour aside, Princess Celestia is pretty cool. Why, thank you! Yeah, well, I'm sorry, I can't deal with that. You need to sort your hoofs out. I'm so sorry. Okay, I've got to say that hoof thing is pretty weird, so hoof color aside, Princess Celestia is pretty awesome. I mean, I love the sparkly horn. Thank you! I love the tinsel in the hair. Thank you again. You're just complimenting her because she's the princess and you want, like, attention from the princess. No, I am not. I'm complimenting her because, I like her. You are definitely getting good reports from me. See? Every pony, she's lying. Okay, every pony, it is finally time to show you the Princess of the Night in a different form. Ooh, that sounds cool. I present to you Nightmare Moon. Okay, so taking a really good look at this, she looks pretty cool. Like, I feel really out of place here. She's got this awesome blue thing on, like the Princess Celestia one, and the Princess Cadence one. Yes, the Princess Cadence. And she's also got that thing you never took off. Why are these so impossible to open? They just don't open. Oh my gosh. Guys, it's a disaster. It's all I could get off. Come on, Nightmare Moon. Okay, so this is Nightmare Moon. She's looking pretty fine. I love her outfit. And I've always wanted Nightmare Moon. She's just always been a pony I always wanted. You're so obsessed with her. I'll have you know, I am Luna. I'm just disguised as Nightmare Moon for Nightmare Night. Oops. Sorry. So, Princess Luna, or Nightmare Moon, has this awesome purple mane. It is so soft, and I have to show my, I have to do something with this hair and show you because it would just be too fabulous to not show. Her eyes, they're pretty awesome. They remind me a bit of Deidre Douglas, but the actual eyeball is pretty cool. I love her dress. Oh my gosh. Her dress is so pretty. It's blue. And oh my gosh, she has a sparkly cutie mark. That was the only difference I could think of between this one and the Nightmare Moon set I always wanted. But this one has a sparkly cutie mark too. That's so awesome. It doesn't have just one plain hoof like Princess Celestia for some reason. I don't understand why Princess Celestia has that. Ah! Nightmare Moon! She fell on the floor. It's okay, guys. I'm still alive. Overall, I would say she is the best pony in this set. No, I don't know. I don't want to take sides, because I mean, they're all pretty cool. I mean, Nightmare Moon, she's pretty cool. Celestia, I love her, like, design. Rarity, Fluttershy, Rainbow Dash are obviously awesome. And Deidre Dazzle and Minky, they're awesome too. I just don't know who to pick. Like, they're all really cool. Yeah, if I had to pick one, I don't think I could. Aren't you forgetting somebody? Oh my gosh, Spike, I'm so sorry, I forgot. Sorry, Spike. It's just, we didn't see you at all. We completely missed you. Sorry. Fine, I'll just go back. It's not like I'm any different anyway. I'm just an ordinary Spike. Yeah, see you later, guys. Yep, I'm out of here. Bye. Oops. We forgot to let you know that these dresses actually fit us too. Yeah, they do. Okay, guys, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and leave a comment down below who thinks the coolest. I think Nightmare Moon. Well, I gotta say, I'm feeling sorry for Spike now, so it might have to be him. Woohoo! Thanks! Okay, so we hope you enjoyed. If you want more videos from me and Holly, and me and Harry, then please leave a comment down below and a snake, but like, I don't know, we'll get the hint. We might make more of these. Pretty cool having double holly, right? Am I right? You don't always right. Ow! We hope you enjoyed. Bye, guys. Bye. Jeez, I thought they'd never go away.
Yeah, right. They were really starting to bore me.
You said it, Fluttershy. And they kept insulting my hair. It's not my fault I'm fresh out of the box. Oh, it's okay. I love your hair. Aw, thank you. Aw. And they were so mean to little Spiky Wikey. Aw, thanks, Rarity. It's okay, Spike. Well, I say what we do, what our box is telling us to do.